Hi fam, this is Sogan, you're most welcome. I'm happy to be here. Today I want to teach you the pattern of an Irish crochet lace flowers. So let's see. Start the magic ring and chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains and make 23 double crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. Make a slip stitch in third chain. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make a double crochet in next stitch. Chain 4, skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet in next stitch. Make a double crochet in next stitch and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet in next stitch. Make a double crochet in next stitch and chain 4. I crochet all around, skip 1 stitch and chain 4 and make a slip stitch in third chain. 1, 2, 3. Make a slip stitch. Now I'm going to work in first double crochet. Make 5 front post double crochet in first double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm going to crochet in chain 3. Please turn. Make 5 front post double crochet in chain 3. Okay, make 5 front post double crochet in chain 3. I'm going to crochet in the space of 4 chain. Make 4 double crochets in the space of 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make 4 double crochets again in same space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to crochet in second double crochet. Make 5 front post double crochet in second double crochet. 4 and 5 and turn. Now I'm going to crochet crochet in first double crochet, make 5 front post double crochet in previous double crochet, 3, 4 and 5. Make 4 double crochets in the space of 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 3 in the middle and make 4 double crochets again in same space, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Keep repeating. I crocheted all around, chain 3 and make 4 double crochets in last stitch, 3, 4 and 5. Make a slip stitch in 5th stitch of first double crochet, chain 1, get the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you very much for your consideration and taking the time. I'm grateful for your support. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, like and subscribe for more video tutorials. Have a good day.